Hello A+ traders, welcome to this week Forex monthly Forex forecast. First of all, let's just start with the reviews before I go into the June picks for the month, the trades we are going to pick for the month. But before we begin, my name is Aneve Tasan. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, just do that right now. Let's look at the euro dollar. Last month's video, price was somewhere around here. And I know on the weekly we had a bullish pin bar. Yeah, this bullish pin down here. We had that bullish pin bar there, and I said I'm expecting price to rally up to the upside, and price just did just that. Price have done just that. See, broken out of the channel we drew and out, got a retest and still heading up. Remember, our final target is at this 1.15312 zone, so we are expecting price to come and reach this point in the near future. And the next trade we can check on is check GBP AUD. So on the GBP AUD, our projection was that since we had this expanding triangle on the daily, I projected that price will come all the way back down to this support area here. But right now price is stalling above here, above this place now. So let's zoom in and see what is happening there, what is keeping price there. Okay, so we are here. Yeah, this is an impulse. Move here, and we can take this as a price correction. And let's look at our pivots. Price is between the R1 and the pivot level. So a close. If price closes below the PP, as here, this price here, then we enter a sell and trade it to the downside. Which other pair are we looking at? Okay, USD Swiss francs. We talked about USD Swiss francs on the last review, and we were selling from here. We were selling from this zone here. Can still remember we were selling from there. So you can see price have reached our destination. This was our destination from this zone here. So that was a good trade. I hope you also joined the trade. So let's look at what we have for this month. First, we start with the ASUS dollar, AUD USD. We're bullish on this pair right away. I'm bullish on this pair. I don't know what you are thinking, but for me, I'm bullish. So, price have been trading to the downside, like forming series of lower highs and lower lows, I've been seeing these lower highs and lower lows. But right now, here is a support zone. The 0.6844 is a support zone, and price is here again. So here happens to be a support one. And what are we seeing here? Price is reversing. Look at price rejection of the lower prices, and as at yesterday, yesterday daily candle, we had a doji there. My projection for this pair, I'm bullish on the AUD USD. What I'm seeing here is price doing this, breakthrough the trend line resistance, maybe pull back and continue up. I'm bullish here. I'm bullish on this pair. So for you to enter this trade, all you need to do is first wait for price to close above the PP, then you join, And you can also go to the lower time frame. Let's see the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we already have an inverted head and shoulder here. This is an inverted head and shoulder here. So this is a confirmation that price is going up. So all you need to do right now is wait for maybe a pullback, price to do this pullback, maybe back to the neckline, then you buy from this zone here, you buy from this region here, or once you see a small correction on the 1-hour or daily candle, maybe something like this, small correction like a bullish flag, then you join the trade to the upside. So that is how you can enter this trade. The next pair we are looking at is Euro card. I'm bearish on the card. Now let me take you through something. Now look at this. This is the structure I'm having on the monthly, on the higher time frame. Now this is a bit of a ascending wedge, or you can call it as a rising wedge, but back down to the lower time frame. Price is coming to test this support very often, the 1.488 zone. So to me, looks like something that will break any moment from now. So you might likely see price do this breakthrough, retest, and come all the way back down. That is my expectation on this way. Price to break down from this support level here at the 1.488 zone and come to reach the 1.446 zone. So that is my expectation on this pair. If you want to join this trend, you have to come to the lower time frame, and let's look at our pivot. Price is already below the PP. You can see that price is already below the PP. So how to join this trade now? From here, you wait for a pullback to the support to S2, then you take your sell entry here. Why? Maybe your stop is at the S1 or above the PP, then you trade it all the way down. You trade it all the way down. So that is my expectation on Euro card. And the next one is Euro AUD. Wow, that is another Euro AUD. Oh, let me take you to the monthly first. Let's look at the market structure. Now look at this also. This is a very big impulse from 2009 to 2013. Look at that big impulse, very big. But this is a change of trend. Price have been carving higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So we're seeing this, and price is here. Where do you think the next price will go to? Back here to this point. But right now, price is not yet ready to spike up to this level. So we're still a bit bearish. Let's go to the lower time frame. And if you also notice, we go to the daily. If you look closely, you realize that from August 2018, this level here, this up level here has been serving as resistance. Even when we had the currency flash early this year January, it still acted as resistance. So price is back to that level again. Price is back to that level again. And this is what is happening. I'm projecting a head and shoulder pattern on this chart. And this is the left shoulder here. the left shoulder, and this is the head, and I'm projecting we will have a right shoulder here. It's trading, is all about probabilities. But before I jump to that, this is what I'm saying. Since price came back to the resistance here, and on Tuesday, like 2 days ago, we had price rejection of the higher prices, which is here. And while doing that, price also carved a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here. You can see the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern here. Now, if I should pull up my pivot point, you realize that where we had the price rejection is the R1 of the pivot, and price is approaching what? The main pivot level. So, for example, if today's candle closes the way it is, like a bearish pin bar, this is good for a sell. You sell it all the way down to the support tool of the pivot level, which will now serve as the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. I hope you are following me. This is my projection for this trade, but if you need an entry on this trade, you need to go to the lower time frame. This is what we have here. You can wait for price to, after correction, a breakdown of this, then you sell. Let price break down from this trend line I just drew, break down, close below, retest the trend line, then you sell from this area while placing your stops here if you are an aggressive trader. But if you are a conservative trader, you can place your stop above around the 1.645 zone, be way down where we have the support tool on the pivot level, the support tool, which is the 1.610 zone. So that is how you trade that Euro AUD if you want to join the trade. This is my projection for the coming weeks on this pair. So the next pair I'm going to look at is the dollar yen. Where are you? Alright, I've seen it. Now the dollar yen, to some people, have been a bit choppy, and also to me is a bit choppy. It's been trading down, for months now. And it's still gonna go down, though we have arrived at a key support level, which is the 107.24 level. It's a key support level, but this is my projection on this pair. I still see it going down because it just broke out of the monthly price correction. You see this trend line, price just broke down from there. So apply my pivot. You see price is already below the S2 of the pivot tool. So if you are to join this trade, wait first for price to close today's daily candle to close below the S2. When that is done, you go to the lower time frame, 4 hour. I don't really like using the 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes. I'm not a scalper. I'm a swing trader, so I like the higher time frame, and it gives me a lot of volume. So this is the lower time frame. So what we are looking for now to join this trade is price to close below the S2. Maybe by tomorrow we see a retest of that breakdown, maybe back to a retest of the S1 or the pivot level. Then once we see a rejection there or bearish impulse, we sell from here, and your stop loss will be placed above at the R1 level. If you are an aggressive trader, if you are a bit conservative, you can take your stop loss to R5. But for me, I can take my stop loss to above the R2. So so that I know once price reaches this zone, here, which is this zone, I know my trade setup has been invalidated. So for now, this is what we are looking at. Pull back to retest the breakdown of this daily correction. We enter from this point. And trade to the downside. And your target level will be 106.93 zone, price zone. So we are looking for exactly this impulse. This is the impulse we are looking for. We are looking for this impulse to happen again, back to this level. This is the impulse we are looking for, back to the bottom here. That is it for dollar yen. The next one is the NZD card, one of my favorite pair for this year. I love trading this pair. Let's look at the structure, market structure first. Now, this pair I've been trading lower, and making a series of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. This was a lower high here, and where do you think price is going to? Of course, to make another low down here. Price is going down to make another low down here. So we are bearish on this pair. I am bearish too on this pair. So how to enter? Let's go to the daily. Oh, already we had a daily price correction here, which have been broken down. What we have here, that is a daily correction. Polar pivots, and price is already below the pivot point. So how we intend entering this trade is very simple. Go to our trading time frame, that is the lower time frame, and I see price is kind of in a small range, something like this. What is price doing? This is what price is doing. This is what price is doing. We may see this happening, like price moving from here and breaks out. I'm not good in drawing, but let me just try. Breaks out, retests, and maybe go back here before coming back down. Price may likely do this, or better still, price can just come and continue coming down. These are the scenarios you may see. These are the scenarios you may see on this trade. So right now, you just wait for one of these to happen. Either price to go back here, you see some bearish impulse, then you join it down. Or if price does this, breaks out, retests, you can take a short buy and follow it to the upside. When it reaches this zone, kindly close your trade, because it's going to come back aggressively back down. That is how it's going to move. That is my projection. That is all I'm covering for this month's monthly reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are interested in weekly trading, like everyday trades, you have to click the link below this video and like my Facebook page. That is where I drop daily trade signals, and you have access to them too. So thank you for your time. I believe you learned a thing or two from this video. Don't forget to subscribe. A Plus Trading Hub. Come and hit the subscribe button. Then also like this video. It was helpful for you. If you have questions, comment below this video. I will give you feedbacks and give you more explanation. Thank you for your time.